Hi, this is David Haslett, and I want to show you how to do an optical illusion called the Impossible Trident. It's really not that bad. And what I'm going to show you is how you can do it in a few lines with minimal erasing. So let's take a look and see what we're doing here. Okay, so this is what the end drawing is going to look like. Now, I could add a little bit of shading too, just to make sure that the optical illusion works really, really well. But first, the basics. So this is how I show people how to do it. You do 6 lines that are all parallel and try to make them really even in between each other. So I'm going to go up to the right because I'm right-handed. It makes it a little bit easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines. Now I'm going to focus one end before the other just because it's a little easier to see how you do that. So between these two on the left, I'm going to do an oval, skip one, oval, skip one, oval. So here you see those rods or those tines for the trident are over here. Now for the end, I'm going to go from the very top and do a straight line, but skip the last one. Here. Here I'm going to do a little bit of erasing. I've gone to the last one, then I'm going to go straight down like this. Even now you're going to start to see some of this developing. So now I'm going to keep in mind this thickness. I'm going to imagine one going down over here, that same thickness. I'm going to go this far, like that. And then erase what I don't need. This is that minimal erasing. Now I've got just a little bit more to do, and then I could finish off with a little bit of shading. Here's that downward stroke. I'm going to parallel it with this one on the side. And then I'm looking at this. I'm going to parallel it to the next line, and then just do a little bit more erasing. That's it.